2.5 liter. I thought it'd be a cool video because it's kind of confusing how to take this cover off without damaging it. First thing you want to do is remove this T20. Or there's two T20s. Secondly, you want to take this clamp and squeeze it and pull back and slide it back. Slide this up and out. There's 4 grommets. 2 right here and 2 right here. So they come up. There's 1. But what you don't want to do is pull right here. I see a lot of them get cracked all the way up. You want to try not to crack this one. And then the back one, I do one side at a time. You can actually see the grommet on this side. I say, well, those things are really on there. I'm gonna use a pair of these needle nose right here and get up underneath of it. Maybe even a small pry bar. All right, that's that one. All right. After pulling off the cover, to change the filter, you simply just want to flip it upside down. Get you a Phillips screwdriver or a screw gun, whatever you prefer. This one's got enough screws that it's worthy for a screw gun, but I don't feel like digging for it. You know, the air filter is the most underlooked thing on a car. I've had many times that I've had no starts, and the whole problem be a air filter. Slide it in here. Alright. You just want to get it back in them little grooves. You'll feel it set in place. Simply tighten the screws back up. Okay, now it's time to reinstall this cover. I recommend just put a little lube on these grommets. It'll pop on a lot easier, and then the next guy that has to take it off won't have to try so hard. Simply turn it back around. Line up in place. It's not the back one down first. This should hose line up. And if you have the style with the little sensor there, put that on there. Because the little screws turn. My T20, the tip of it across there. It's kind of pain. Alright, I'll take your little pliers. Alright, so that concludes this job. This would be a good time to check over everything else. You want to clear out any lights that are on there with your scan tool. Take it for a nice test drive. And that's it. Thank you for joining us today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.